Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing our tonight host from Lucky Footprint Events and Promotions, Ms. Nina Marie Castellano.
Good evening and welcome to LaBelle Events Hall. We are very glad to welcome you in tonight's 18th birthday celebration of a precious girl turning into a fine lady. And it's so nice to see familiar faces. Dahil sa tagal-tagal nga, so nagkakaroon tayo ng, dahil sa pandemic, minsan lang talaga tayo ipon-ipon at nagkakaroon ng ganitong party. So we know that everyone is very delighted to witness her magical event this evening. Debut is a milestone to womanhood, a formal introduction of a young woman into a society. Her tremendous role and greatest impact. Women reaching this age are given more options open to them than just marriage, to continue education and get a professional career. Thus, on her special day, it is